is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tiara Livi, for those who don't know, and today we are going to be doing another first things first video. I know it's been a while since I've done these, and so I went to Mihlali's beauty masterclass, and while we're there, the girls were sitting next to me, like they were like beginners and very nice ladies, by the way. I really enjoyed my time with them. But while we were like during the masterclass, they were really struggling with like understanding which brush is which and for what. So it gave me this great idea to do this video. Shout out to you guys. So for today, the video that I'll be doing will be showing you guys what brush is for what, like your basics. Like if you have these brushes in your like makeup kit, you've basically made it, sweetie. Like it's really all you need. So the brushes are dirty because obviously, as you can see, my face is done, so I've just used them. But for the first brush, it's this, okay? So either this or that. So either or. So you either need this brush or that brush. So these are foundation brushes. So how to pick a foundation brush? It needs to be like flat. So either flat this way or flat that way. Okay? Okay. So if you have a set of brushes and you're trying to figure out which brush to use for foundation, it should either look like this or like this. The next brush that you need in your set is a fluffy brush like this. Okay? So a fluffy brush like this is used for powders. So if you have more than one, you could use it for your setting powder, or you could use it for your blush, or you could use it for setting powder, blush, loose powder. So your loose powder could be set or compact, but it's for powders. A fluffy brush, what do they call the shop? Dome. I think that's what they call it. But if you have a fluffy brush, then you can use that fluffy brush for either your powders. So either your blush or your setting powder. The next brush that you need is your concealer brush. So sorry, it's dirty, but so a concealer brush is usually flat, like flat. Ne? So a concealer brush is flat, and you can use a concealer brush to obviously conceal your brows and also to apply concealer to your face, and as well as to use it to apply your shimmer powders. So if you want to apply a shimmer eyeshadow, then I would recommend that you use a flat concealer brush. Next. Okay, still following. Good, great. The next brush that you need in your set is a brush like this. This is a blending brush. This is a blending brush. So with this brush, you use it to blend your eyeshadow. So if you need to blend your eyeshadow, maybe blend your transition with your other colors, this is the color. This is the brush that you use. A fluffy brush. It's fluffy also, but it's smaller. So it's also fluffy, but it's like obviously like big enough for your eyelid. So that's the next brush that you need. That's the next brush that you need. To go with that, you also need another small fluffy brush, and this is to apply your matte shadows and so on and so forth. This is for your highlight. It's called a fan brush, and you use it to apply your highlight on. So yeah, the last brush that you need is this one. This is called a spoolie. So you don't really have to buy this. You could just take an old mascara brush and use it. It's just to comb your brows out before you apply. And obviously if you're not using a pencil or anything like that, you're gonna need a thin flat brush with a flat top. So a thin flat brush with a flat top to apply your brow product. So whether you're using a brow powder or you're using, what do you call those brow paints, those things in the pods, or you're using that, then you're gonna need a flat thin brush with a flat top to apply that product on. And yes, so these are the brushes that you need. Everything that you need to complete a face, from your brows to your foundation to your concealer. Obviously, if you put a lot of makeup on, you're gonna need more brushes, only because you need to chop and change. But really, like for basic makeup look, to complete a basic makeup look, these are all the brushes you need. So the next time you buy a makeup set and it doesn't tell you which brush is for what, you can always come back here and check it out. Of course, another thing that you need is a blending brush, and this is just to apply your concealer when you contour, or sometimes people also use it for their foundation, so you could use that for your foundation as well. So yes, of course, you need a blending brush as well for your face. And yeah, that is everything that you need to complete a basic face. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video, and if you did, please go on ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to share with all your friends who need this tea, honey. Don't be that person now. Share. Okay. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for your support. If you haven't subscribed already, go on ahead and click that red button. Click that bell button to be notified of each and every time that I post. And yes, have a lovely week going further. I love you guys. Bye.